Did you know? NASA actually recorded a sound from Saturn. And trust me, it doesn't sound peaceful. It sounds like a whole cosmic horror movie out there. NASA used special instruments to convert electromagnetic waves into audio, and Saturn's voice came out as... Yeah, that is the sound a planet makes while minding its own business, one 4 billion kilometers away. Space is not silent. And the creepiest part, every planet has its own voice. Meaning our whole solar system is basically a giant haunted orchestra. So if someone tells you space is silent, show them Saturn scream. And that is your spooky space fact of the day.